All right, it's a little late, and it's going to storm tonight. That's why I got all this junk on top of my liner. I just don't want to, blow away, get flooded out. But anyway, I got the milk crates in there. I got my pipe plumbed up. I'll share some pictures of that. Hey, next step is dig my trench over from there by the bulb, bring it around, and I already have a pipe above ground here that's hooked into my manifold that you can see in the bottom. So yeah, next step's coming. Stay tuned.